The Giraffe Centre in Nairobi is an important wildlife conservation and education facility established in 1979 to protect the endangered Rothschild giraffe, which was once on the brink of extinction. It offers visitors a unique, hands-on experience where they can feed the giraffes from an elevated platform, with the giraffes themselves living in a secure, semi-wild environment before being released to strengthen wild populations. The center's activities also promote environmental awareness through educational programs, a nature trail, a curio shop, and a teahouse, all while supporting local communities and operating as a sustainable tourism initiative. Conservation and protecting the Rothschild giraffe. The center's primary mission is to conserve the Rothschild giraffe subspecies, which was once near extinction due to habitat loss, breeding and reintroduction. The center began with 2 young giraffes and has successfully bred new pairs, which are then reintroduced.